Oh, good morning, everybody. Oh, I left those up front. Happy weekend. You can see the trailer is nice and empty. A couple cords. First thing of the weekend. Once again, with all the bikes, we do not recycle bikes. For the most part. Let's put it that way. For the most part, they all get donated. There are some that are called rust buckets that, unfortunately, we do not donate, but this one's in pretty good shape. And sometimes we'll put a call out in like the local Facebook pages for bikes or giving away bikes. So we've donated roughly about 150, 170, something like that this year. So if we can get 200 for the year, it's a beautiful thing. It's a nice little bike. Happy Saturday. Let's get to it. All right. Cord time. Sorry, Masha. I know you don't like cord cutters, but they're good money. Off to the next one. I don't know if I ever really showed you guys my magnet. Got a little Thor hammer on there, our big cutters and our little cutters. Beautiful thing. Got a little metal there. Metal. So we stopped in back by the house and dropped off the bike. So we are back to nice empty trailer. Little desk. There it is. Yeah. Oh, she's a heavy one. Heavier. All right. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. This is what we ended up getting yesterday, pretty much on the way home. We went out for about 2 hours yesterday and got a whole bunch of nothing. But that's okay. That's how it goes sometimes. So on the way home, bada bing, got some chairs, got some more chairs, baby stroller. We had gotten that desk earlier in the day. There's another bike that'll be going off for donation, like a table. So, yeah, not too bad. Get her stacked up on the side of the house and be out of here for hopefully around 11. Start running today. We're gonna run hard and heavy. So, see how it goes. Thanks, everybody. All right, a little table to start out the day. First thing in the trailer. Nice empty trailer. Except some cords. 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 Love me some cords. Alright. Be taking that whole thing and snatching out these cords. Got this. Little fan action. Little cord action. Sunday is usually our busy day. Busy bees. Bzz. Depends on how these neighborhoods put out. We shall see. Good start. Sometimes I hit this neighborhood and it's a whole lot of nothing. But hey, we'll take it. We got a wheelbarrow. Little flat tire on her. Yeah, she's a little cracked. Good addition to the pile. Hello, Mr. Wheelbarrow. Really not that bad its condition. Solar pool panels. Wish I would have got that job. Oh, what can you do? Alright, so we'll take the chair. Whatever this is. Not a chair, but you know what I'm trying to say. The swing. Take that metal and looks like a little piece of aluminum and maybe some, what do we got here? Oh no, that's plastic conduit. If I didn't have so much at the house, I would take that too. but I have a bunch. And I have HOA issues. So, stay away from that. Alright, thanks. Well, this sucks. This absolutely sucks. This poor cul-de-sac got destroyed. I have not been over in this area since, because I took last weekend off. So unbelievably sad. Absolutely breaks my heart. Damn. Oh, it's wood. Oh, we got some aluminum, some extrusion aluminum. Yay. Good day. Good day with the extrusion aluminum. Load that right up. Oh, I was on the phone. And we got some more stuff. There, we got a door. I don't think that's real stainless. We have to hit it with a magnet. Got some nickel in it. Here, good little front stack. Getting there. All right, so on the last one, there was some sheet aluminum on there too. I don't know if I got that. But anyway, here we are. Got some pack and play. Let it go in. What do we got here? Plates. Stiff, a little bowl. Take the scooters. Right here. There's the sheet aluminum that we picked up on the last stop. I don't know if I mentioned it, but we had to leave the washer and dryer and everything there. The stove. Next door neighbor came out and asked me to not take it. So, said there could still be some insurance stuff going on, so I respected their wishes and said, yep, no problem. No problem. Left a business card, just in case they need it. Come back next week or something. Hopefully it's still there. But either way. Oh, we got like a little turntable, bunch of glasses. 2 of these bad boys. Take that for the wifey. For the wifey. There's some aluminum. What else do we got in here? A bunch of glasses. Oh, that's cool glass. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Coca-Cola glass. Coca-Cola. Oh, that one's all faded. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola stuff usually sells pretty good. We'll just keep on taking the Coca-Cola stuff. And I think that's it. Oh, nope, one more. Oh, nope, 2 more. Oh, 3 more. I think it's filled with Coca-Cola glasses. Alright, that's it. That's it. We'll take all this stuff. I usually don't take glasses, but we'll see. Big weight right there. Big weight. Hey now. Easy. Easy. All right, I think that's about it from this location. I gotta clean up, load up, don't leave it a mess. All right, see you guys on the next one. All right, so while also poking around in that pile, we found this 2E's 1, 2, it looks like all the cords are there. A couple steering wheels. House of the Dead 2. Some Zumba. Games are all in there. So that's neat. In here, a bunch of the controls, more wires, so get them home, see if they work. That'd be cool. And a water heater. Yeah, they stripped all the elements out, all the thermostats. Not very often you get hybrids. That's what this is. Hybrid water heater. Had some issues with it behind there, obviously. Is the outlet. So they take the heat from inside the garage area and it makes hot water. Or if it needs to, it has backup electric. So there you go. May take off this top because there's probably some copper in there. And being that she's going on the side of the house, I always try to make sure they're drained. Don't want no drama at the yard. Alright, well, I'm gonna load this thing up. Trailer's coming to life. May have to dump out and come back. We'll see. Alright, we'll hit you back. Hey, so we got the water heater in there. Boom. And then we pulled up on this bad boy. Hello, Mr. Grill. And now we gotta figure out how to fit it in there. Not a problem. Not a problem. We will figure out a way. Maybe have to do a little consolidation, but that's where she's gonna go. Right here. Alright, I'll give you an update as soon as it's done. And boom, we did it. We got it up in there. Alright, so we're gonna go dump this. Load number 1. Now it's boring time. Boring time, going to dump. That's the only bad thing about the weekend, is I gotta unload it and load it up again. So, but hey, it's weight, and we got goals. So we need this weekend work. Woohoo! All right, here we are. Load number 2, empty trailer. We got some stuff here. We're gonna pull out and get in there. All right, I'm gonna need both of my hands, so more of this. So we have a fridge there, but I wanted to show you guys this. Show you guys down this street. I mean, it's just lined up. So sad. So sad. Well, we're gonna do what we can about getting stuff out of there. There wasn't a whole lot of metal down there. So, do our part, get this fridge out of here, and off to the next one. Alright, here's a pile of metal. I think it's mostly tin, but every little bit is a good little bit. To get this loaded up. We're kind of on a time crunch, so that's fun. I don't know what I recorded. Got that, got the table, the whatever, the dish. Some, they're not aluminum, wish they were, but they're not. So yeah, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna load all that up, that right there, and then finish this neighborhood, go empty, and then we're off to our night run. So that should be interesting. I go to my night run early because a lot of scrappers do my night run. I try to get in there before everybody. So I'm gonna load this up real quick and then we'll get right back with you. All right, so that there is what we did on Sunday so far. Yeah, a little bit from yesterday, but nothing crazy. So look at my house. Isn't my house such an issue? Look at it. What an issue. Issue house. At least by the HOA anyway. Issue. Anyway, all right. quick bite to eat, and then we're going empty trailer except for some cords, going on the night run. Woohoo! Right. Sunday night scrapping. There's a blue car down there. See it right there? And that's its hood on the near the curb. I don't know. I would feel bad if I took some dude's hood. So we'll just leave that right where it's at. But we did get this little butte right here. Oh, what do we got there? For like clubs, maybe. Golf stuff? Huh. I don't know. It's a nice cage. I don't personally need it, but alright. Here we go. We're in our second neighborhood already. I got a cord and that so far. So, but it'll pick up. It'll pick up. It always does. Boom. Little hands-free action on a Sunday. That's how we load fridges. Alright. This. Hand truck goes back there, and we've strapped this thing down and on our way. Thanks. Look at that. Not a bad little toolbox. Oh, some gloves in there. Some tools. Tools. Jacked up. That one goes pretty nice. That's smooth. These are just aligned. Alright, either way, getting in. Leave the wood here. And that's where she's gonna go. Boom. Little grill action. Hey, what do we got in here? How y'all doing? Oh, look at that. That's neat. Oh, there's like a grater in there. Alright. Alright. Back to the trailer. Back to the trailer. Oh, we got the sink earlier. There you go. Stainless steel. Get in, take some dirty brass off of her. Pull that disposal. Boom. I don't know if I showed you earlier. Today is the We Fit day. I found the board and some Rockstar stuff, so that'll be cool. See if all that stuff works. I figured this is probably going to be an absolute train wreck, so I might as well let you watch. I guess that's how you maximize space and get a little ashy. Let's tie this thing down and get on with it. Alright, well, things are definitely picking up. It's a nice looking lawnmower. Where shall we put her? What do you think? Right up in here? Can you fit her in here? I think maybe. Maybe we can. Right in there. Doesn't seem like we're optimizing space that well right here, but let's figure it out. Alright, so for this magic trick, we're gonna stack that right on there. Make it so you can see this nonsense. Nobody wants to see my face. Yeah, alright. Little bit of heavy. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Ah, I just need to use my muscles, that's all. And we got it. A little bit more noise than we needed to, but we got it. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
issue. That hump. Well, that was fun. Holy goodness. Holy goodness. I can't wait to see that. Well, it's up. And we'll get it straight. Woo! That was fun. At least he offered to help. Some people just go by and stare at you. So, yes. Alright, we are well on our way today. That front side stack is looking good right now. Good front side stack. So keep working at it. Alright. Alright, so usually we don't break out the hand truck on microwaves, but we got a couple of them. So we'll do a little stack action and then get them on. And the trailer is filling right up. I did a couple pickups with homeowners that they didn't care to be on YouTube, so we didn't record those. Alright, I'm gonna run these over there and then we'll click back on in a minute when I'm all loaded up. Alright, I think this run for today, well, for this minute, is done. Now, I don't think I'm unloading the front side of this anymore. I think the front side of this trailer is done for the day. The back side, yep, we gotta go unload it. I got a pickup to do, washer and dryer. So definitely have to take at least to right here off. This stuff's probably gonna end up coming off too. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens when we get in there. This awning needs to come off though. The side stuff. So all in all though, I'm doing all right. It's been a heck of a Sunday. Just keep busting it out. So we'll go unload this, get a little food in us, and then go make up those pickups. Washer and dryer. So 2 hours. That's how long it took. About 3:37 we started, and it is now 5:38. So not bad. We'll take it. Well, here we are. We have some chairs. It's pretty much ODOC 30 out already. We redid the front side. No, we didn't do the front side. We redid the back, so we're on the second stack on the back. But putting these chairs in, and I'll shoot some of the back. Monday morning, first one on the scales. First one through the door. That was yesterday's. Ended up getting a washer, power washer, stainless, not stainless, cast iron sink. Yay. And out at 63.80. I don't know, 1,200-1,300 pounds, something like that. Second load, 7,500. Couple chairs, freezer. Got it all strapped down, loaded up. On a time crunch. 63.20. Some stuff to go to the other side. Cords, light, stainless. Alright, so on the way home, we stopped and got a couple things. A couple fans. Go through the looking glass here. Those tables may come out. Actually, not too bad. Then we didn't get to turn in any of our heavy irony or anything like that because they closed the doors. So we'll get that. See if we can get the rest of this in there, and that'll be a day. I didn't shoot the scale on the last one. We were at about 1,200 pounds for that last load. Puts us right about 2,600, something like that for the day so far. All right, quick break and then back at it. Third and final load of the day. 7,200, probably about 1,000 all the way around. That's it. That's all the weekend stuff. All loaded up and ready to be done with. Go out tonight and see what we can get. It's our hybrid. Strip that thing down. So, cool. See what the final total for the day is. Have a good night. 6380. 6380. Oh. Alright. Alright. That's a 2 days. Not just a day. That's 2 days right there. So we got a little bit on Saturday, maybe a half a load. It was only roughly about 2 hours out. We really didn't get a whole lot. Then on Sunday, that's pretty much when we got everything. We did almost 4,000 pounds, I want to say. It's pretty close to that. Roughly about $290, right in that range. So, all in all, not too bad. Not too bad. We will take it. Yeah, we got it all filled up. We got the side of the house all cleaned out. Junk Lady 5000 is going to be pretty happy about that. So, I'm tired. We did take a little break today. That's the only bad thing about the weekend work, is it's a lot of loading and unloading. So it's actually double the work. Bring it home, unload everything side of the house, then Monday, load everything back up. I don't usually run days, so it's okay. Didn't have really anything else going on today, so we got it all in. Short week, kind of short week. We're not going out Tuesday night, just because I have a big pool solar job that day on Wednesday. So I need the trailer, going to get all the materials, load everything up Tuesday night, and then bada bing, be out first thing Wednesday. It's an hour and a half drive to the job, so we gotta leave out early. We don't have time to come by. So yay, all done. Another day done. Go home. By the time I get home, it's gonna be a quick turnaround. I took a little bit longer of a break during the afternoon, kind of set me back a little bit. That's okay. Get home, get that turned around, and then right back at it. Thank you to everybody who's commented, liked, subscribed, all that. Thank you so much. You guys are truly appreciated. We're working on the handheld. I have the handheld. I got a Chromebook, so if anybody wants to throw anything down there, there's not a lot of these apps that are, I guess, with Chromebook, I guess. I don't know. I don't know a whole lot about this, kind of on my own. A couple that I've gone to and tried to make videos on, it's not very good. Not very good, but we're working on it. We'll get it. We'll get it, I promise. For now, it's these little snippet videos. We just mesh everything together and off we go. So once again, thank you again. Thank you for all the support. Almost at 250 subscribers. We are moving right along. So thank you again. Y'all are the best. Have a great day.